I forgot to turn the camera on, so let's get some of this on camera. See if I can eat shit on camera for the first time. Where the hell am I, right? The fuck? Some deep ruts, remember I told you? I wasn't kidding. Okay. Coming down this rut. Oh yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Paddle. Doggy paddle. Has to be an exciting video of us breathing hard. You down? Okay, good. I don't have a way to get you when you're behind me there. Okay. So you see why I didn't want to go that way to go back out, right?
Probably not. But we can. If you don't know another way out.
Oh yeah, behind that gate I found. Pretty sure.
Is this where you said it came into 6 different directions?
Yeah, there's a few of these, yeah.
You know what way?
Well, if you come over here and look at my cool map thing here, it's all fucking dirty. According to it, we're still on this road here. Wilderness Road comes out to Pumpkin Ridge.
So that way?
Probably, yeah.
That way or that way?
That way. Pretty sure that would loop back and around to that other trail. Yeah, you telling me I dumped my foot in one of these giant puddles. Talk about giant fucking dirt. Yeah, I almost landed in a puddle just like this. That'd have been fun. These tires just start washing like crazy. Because it's just, yeah, what do you, thanks GPS. This is a good way to go. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Wilderness Road. Uh-oh, here we go. I remember this part. It's kind of, which side do I want? Which side do I want? Oh, I'm going left. Oh, oh. I can see my track through here already. That always means we're on the right trail. Oh, I know. I gotta be comfortable enough to put my feet down here. Oh no, you're gonna pass me? Careful. You're getting kind of dangerous. Yeah, well, last time that happened, you ended up on the ground. Very careful. You did not. Probably. Yeah. See? I don't know. Fucking, we're in the wilderness. Yeah, straight, sure. Follow the old dirt bike trail from 3 days ago. The old dirt bike trail here. Alright, that one on the right. Oh no, I got you on camera. Nice. Are you okay? I'm coming. Just set mine down, I guess. There you go.
Alright, I'll slow down.
Yeah. Can you help me pick her up?
Alright.
Hey, your pack came undone.
I think I just didn't clip it back together. Oh, my fucking ankle.
Your ankle okay?
I'll slow down now.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what you were doing. Is it hurting?
I'm trying to have fun, dude. I was having so much fun.
Yeah, I know you
I
are.
want to fucking
Haul ass down this sea bass. Mine's heavy. Shit, it's not in gear. Yeah, I might need help. I don't know if you can help me. I jumped off to help your freaking leg. All right. Got it. Oh, oh boy. All right, this is gonna be a fun video. What? Yeah, of course. Sure. Yeah. Put your kickstand down. Your kickstand's still up. There you go. Oh, careful. Yeah. Use the waddle. Too much speed. What are you doing? Oh shit. Told you shouldn't have gone this way. Hold on. Quit wasting all your energy. See? What are you doing? Okay. Woo! Now I'm on my ass. All right.
Fuck.
Pick. Oh, fuck.
I can't.
I'm gonna come around the outside. Okay.
It's hard when you can't fucking stand up.
Okay.
How'd you work off all that bread from lunch?
What? Oh yeah. So, are you in first or second? You need to ride both brakes. When you put the foot down, you gain speed like you took your hand off the clutch.
Okay.
And you fucking just went flying.
Yeah.
We'll be able to watch it in video. All right. I'm getting too hot. We need to go, guys. Fuck, is this like... Doesn't matter. Maybe turn your bike off and do it. Turn your bike off. You're already going too fast. No, it's not. But you've crashed, what, 4 or 5 times now today? You need to take it easy. So I'm running out of energy to keep picking up your bike. Yeah, now you know how I felt when I was out here all alone. It's fucking terrifying. Alright, you can probably start your bike now. This is the scary part. So this one dips and then it's a hill climb, so don't stall. It's gonna require some oomph. Get up that little hill climb, you see it? I took the right path. Take the left. Feels so fucking good. Yeah, this is where it was blocked, or to the left, right? Yeah, this loops around. Go ahead and go. Yeah, let me lead. Let me lead. I mean, it's nice getting you in front of me wiping out and all, but okay, here comes a big dip. You ready? Dip. Man. gate's gonna be coming up. We got through the hard part. You did it. You only crashed twice, 3 times. Yep, here's the gate. We're stuck. And the end of Wilderness Road.